Let's approach the drawing of this lifter end in a simple way. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go new there, metric, standard millimeters, and we say create, since our dimensions are in millimeters. So here we're going just to start simply with rectangles. Okay, so there is my first one. Here comes my second one. Now my third one. Then comes my fourth one. After that, I'm gonna go with this circle here, and then I'm going to draw this line here, which will be considered as my axis. Then I'm gonna give dimensions. So from there to there, I need to have 25 millimeters, so 25. Okay. After that, I need this one here to be 7 millimeters. So this is 7. I need this one here to be 11 millimeters. So this is 11. This part here, I want it to be 4 millimeters. So this is 4. At the end, you're going to realize that this one will be 3. So as you can see, there 3. So you can say escape. And then after that, I can give dimension to this one. So from there, today I want to have 3 millimeters, so 3. From here to there I want to have 2 millimeters, so 2. From here to there I want to have 3 as well, so 3. Then from there, okay, to there I would like to have 3.5, 3.5. 3.5 erase, or 3.5 erase. Now I want to make sure that this one here today is at 0 millimeters, so 0 erase, and this one here needs to be 3 millimeters, 3 millimeter diameter. So that is fine. Then after that, I'm gonna go on 3D model. I click on revolve. Now I'm going to revolve this whole thing. That's one plus this one plus this one plus this one against this axis. This axis. Now we have the frame of our lifter ends. Then I'm gonna come here, create a fillet of 3 millimeter diameter. Sorry, 3 millimeter radius. So 3 millimeter. I say okay. Then here I'm gonna come and create a fillet there as well. So there and here by a fillet of 1 millimeter. So I say enter. Now you have your lifter ends properly designed or drawn. The next thing that you want now is to give the material. So what you need to do now, you're gonna come here, you're gonna go on carbon steel, then you have your lifter ends. It was a pleasure of mine sharing this video with you. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you're gonna enjoy it. For now, I'm gonna ask you to take care of yourself. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share. See you on the next video. Bye.